Hi, welcome to our class on Love Your Love Life, Sexual Self-Care for Women. And I'm looking forward to sharing what I've learned over the many years of practice as an Ayurvedic practitioner, as a midwife, and just as a woman, so that you may learn to love your love life ever more. So there are 5 videos. This is the first one, the intro video. The second video is on general sexual self-care for women, and that's about 26 minutes. This third one is Be Turned On, enhancing your female libido. That one's about 15 minutes long. The fourth one is called Keep Sex Juicy, which is about female lubrication and how to support that. That's about 22 minutes long. And then Enhancing Female Orgasms, which is about 30 minutes long. You'll learn about our sexual organs, which includes much more than our friend here, Clitty, although she's something that some women haven't learned about yet, how big she is. She's not just the very end here. She's got all these inner parts that you can't see that add to your sexual excitement and pleasure. We'll learn more about that. We'll learn about the brain being a big sex organ and many, many little helps that can all come together and bring you more pleasure in this area of your womanhood. So please enjoy the videos and tell your friends about them if you like them, and also be sure and email me at Terra@wisewomanhood if you have any questions or concerns, or you need a more personal consultation. We can do that at a distance. Have a great time. Bye-bye.